Hey! You? Who? You want to give me an attack on my own land?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
No. So it's you. Come down. Come down here. Come down. You son of no man. Will you come down? Come down. Hey! Come down here. Come down. Yeah? What are you doing on my land? Eh?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just aiming at a grass cutter.
A grass cutter?
Yes.
On my land? On my own land? Do you know aiming at anything or even hunting is a criminal act? You, do I need to remind you that you are a son of nobody and you have no right whatsoever to this land?
No, I was still insulting me. You are blowing this thing out of proportion. I said I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just trying to get a grass cutter.
Listen, I will say more to you. I will say more to you. You are not an aborigine of this land. You don't belong here. In fact, you don't have any right to anything here. So tread with caution. All this your movement of moving as if you are indigenous, that thing annoys me. Tread with caution, though.
Listen, because you are an Ichie does not give you the right to insult me. I will kill you and bury you here.
Hey.
Respect is reciprocal.
Hey. Oh. I want to be going home and rest my body. I am tired. What
do you mean by you are tired? Huh? But you just joined us a few minutes ago. Listen, if anyone's supposed to be tired here, it's me and not you.
Adure, I wasn't talking to you. By the way, you should be happy that I'm here to help you. And now that I want to go home and rest my body, why don't you continue with the work that was meant for you and stop complaining?
What do you mean by the work that was meant for me? See, you better go back there and start weeding. Because if you go, I will leave. Mama, tell Ijoma, if she leaves, me, I will leave.
Are you going to stop me? You know what? I do not have strength to banter west with you.
Mama, if Ijoma leaves, then I'm equally leaving. Tell her.
What is it? What is the problem? And you, Adure? Eh? What is your problem, Adure? I have warned you times without number to stop arguing with my daughter. She said she's tired and she wants to rest her body. Simple. Relieve her of the duty and continue from where she stopped.
But Mama,
will you shut up? Shut up and listen. Adure.
Mama, but why?
Will you shut up? Adure, let me warn you for the last time. That you do not share the same privilege as my daughter in this house. This is her home. You are a stranger, Adure. Oh, you are Ibo. Adure. I'm walking. Look at
Mama, I will respect and obey you, but I can never allow you to subject me as a slave.
If indeed the gods destined me for royalty, what then am I doing here? Since my father died, I have been an unhappy orphan. And there is no sign of the destiny my father told me of. Or could it be that my father told me that just to suit my heart?
If sitting in the rain is all it costs to please my daughter, I will sit with you here. Years ago, when your mother gave birth to you, I consulted with the priestess, the seer, of the Akalaka goddess. And she said so many good things about you. She foretold that you are of royal destiny, that my daughter shall grow up to become a beautiful maiden, and she would eventually become the wife of a prince with whom you shall rule your kingdom together.
But how is that possible?
The Akaraka goddess showed me this.
Wait, my hand is dirty. Let me wash my hand.
Obim, stop crying. Look, your father never lied to you. You are truly destined for greatness. No matter what you're going through right now, I want you to know that it's just a phase and it will pass away. Look at me. You will make it. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? Obim, do you believe it?
Yes.
I love you so much, and I'm with you in this.
Adure!
Mama wants you to go to the farm now.
Are you deaf? What are you still doing there? It's your chirigi.
Love and destiny. Love and destiny. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try.
Please, give me a chance to be your man. I have never seen another woman who appeals to me like you do. I have tried to talk to you, and you have not been nice to me.
In the whole of Amacha, you do not see any maiden to talk to. But you have chosen to pester me. Look, I told you it's not going to work between us. It will not work.
Obin, please, reconsider me in your thoughts. I really love you.
Do not love me. It will not work.
Listen, I will advise you to look for another maiden in your clan. I am not interested in you. I am not. Moreover, I'm in love with someone else.
Who could that be? Nobody, I mean nobody deserves you more than I do. What is his name?
You must be out of your mind to say such to my face. You must be out of your mind. And this is the last time you will stop me to utter such rubbish. No.
Mama?
Please, as you go hunting today, avoid Ichie Nzekwe's farmland. You can trade on other people's farmland. Just avoid his, please.
Mama, did Ichie Nzekwe confront you about me trespassing on his land?
You already know the circumstances we are facing with the people of this land.
Which circumstances, Mama? As the gods live, I am not under any condition, neither are you. As for Mazin Nzekwe, for confronting you, he will have me to contend with.
Nah. To stir up trouble between us and the people of this land. I don't have strength for their trouble, please.
I don't care.
I don't have strength for their trouble.
I don't care. Maybe that's your punishment for not being able to tell the people of this land who my father is. No one will treat me like an outcast for something I know nothing about. Mama!
That is it. Nzekwe Ogene.
You confronted my mother. Why?
Nana, keep quiet. What insolence. How dare you shut Anichie up? Do I have to remind you that you have nothing among us? That your son is no man? Nabiko, where are you? Just don't kill me. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Hey! Stop! Hey, wo.
Last warning. Last warning.
Eye of the gods. What is his condition like now?
He will recover and live again.
But he has been lying there very unconscious all these days.
Your Highness, this is not the first time you have seen him in this condition. Is it?
I know. I understand.
He will always recover and live again until the time for him to go. But it is not yet his time. I must tell you.
Eye of the gods, I appreciate. Thank you for everything you have done.
And I am willing to do more. But do not forget to send for me when he wakes up.
I will not.
My lovely wife. That is why I love you so much.
I don't like all this gray hair.
But it's a mark of respect.
Happen that respect.
It's a mark
Leave
of
it,
respect.
oh, I don't want it. I don't want it. No. I don't want this to notice them.
It's all Mala.
himself.
It's Ezekwe.
No.
You people are welcome.
Welcome.
So, Oriakum, as you can see, my friends are here. Please, can you leave me alone to have time with them?
Okay, Mama.
It's all right.
The toad won't say that marriage is pleasant. Yes, sir. That was why she always carry her husband on her back. Look at the love.
Don't mind this, please. Come. You people should come and sit down.
No wonder.
Please bring cola for them. You people should sit.
No wonder you refuse to do what I would do.
I appreciate this your visit. Oriakum, please bring the cola. Obara.
We are good.
Look, when you marry a good wife, your life will be extended on this earth. Biko, we have cola here.
Leave the cola, please. Leave the cola. The cola should wait.
All right, no problem.
I was at Dikeh Palace today.
Okay.
The situation of his son, our prince, is not getting any better.
That is not a good news at all. It's a sad news. You see, I wonder what kind of ailment is this? This young boy has been suffering this ailment since he was small. What kind of ailment is this that cannot adhere to cure?
Well, I heard that the Dibia said it's Obanje.
And so?
But that his own is different.
How?
According to the Dibia, he said the boy found love in his earthly home. So he refused to go back to the world where others used to go. So, because of his refusal to go back to the world of the unborn, this strange ailment has become his fate.
This is sad and delicate. Seeing that he is the heir apparent of the throne of our land, what do we do?
That's exactly my concern.
Well, our people say that where one falls is where the gods pushes him. Saying that he is in this condition, if anything happens to him, you know the royal throne will swing to your house. That means the God has smiled on your house.
How do you mean? I don't understand.
I understand what he's trying to say. Iche, if the gods permit that our prince does not survive this ailment, it means the next royal household of Amachara kingdom falls back to your own household. Oh yes.
How? Why did you think so?
Ichi Akonam. After the royal household of Abu Igwabogidi, who does not know that Ichi Akonam is the richest man in Amachala? Not only being the richest man in Amachala, your lineage has always had something to do with royalty. So what are you talking about?
Well, I'm glad that you people wish me well. But God's bear me witness that I've never thought of that.
Nobody wishes the curse of the gods on the roof of our ego.
But let me tell you something. The curse of the gods is upon every roof. Until you identify your own share of the curse, then you will understand that we humans are like games in the field of the gods.
You have a point there. You are right. You are very, very right. I have not thought of that.
Please, I think we can now enjoy the cola and the drinks.
Okay. Ask your GS the GS.
Already, I will go know you one. Well,
listen, I understand, but you can't go hunting with me. The bush is dangerous.
Baby, I want to go with you.
No. I promise you, one grass cutter.
You promise?
Yes.
And I will also prepare roasted yam for you. Why waiting for you?
You are just an epitome of beauty.
Stop! There you are. I have been looking for you.
What is the meaning of this? What?
So, is the reason you ignored and turned down my love proposal? This is unbelievable. Does that mean you do not have self-respect? You chose the son of no man over me? I'm so ashamed of you. What do you want?
My father told me how you threatened and harassed him the other day in his farm. How dare you? Do you not remember he has a son like me who could stand up to you and give you a run in a fight?
Nanda, you are beating more than you can chew. And it is high time we make this land uncomfortable for you! Shut up! Are you done?
I am not done talking to you. Now listen and listen attentively. I, Obun, will not take it lightly with you if you in any manner talk to my father in an insulting way again. I will not only fight you, but I will also remind you of your place in this land. Obun Himaro.
Now listen, I do not want to see you with Ikechi again. Stay away from Ikechi! Stay away from her! Anabala Gumba.
Mama, anytime I see you in this kind of mood, it means something grave is troubling your heart. Please talk to your wife. Bikon, what is it?
Will the gods ever give me just a son? If only the gods will give me a son in an exchange of all my wealth, I will make a bountiful sacrifice on the shrine of Ani to worship and thank him.
Please, do not give up on me. I promise you, I shall bear you a son. And the gods are not deaf to our prayers. Please.
Maybe the curse came upon me the day I promised you that I will never take another wife.
will you go inside and find something to do? Mama! Mama, we have been in the pub this morning, Mama! Shut up! Shut up your mouth!
Don't talk when I'm talking. Amosu, Ozurere. Do you think I don't know that you killed your parents with your witchcraft?
Mama, me!
Yes, I know. And since you came into this house, I've had series of miscarriages.
Mama.
You think I don't know?
Mama!
I know, Adure. And I know that you are responsible for me not to be able to bear my husband a son. You think I don't know?
Mama, how could you say that?
I know all that. Adure, that is why I will make this house so uncomfortable for you.
Mama!
In this house, Adure,
Mama!
I'm Wafia. Look at her.
I have done nothing wrong to deserve this treatment. Why are you treating me like a slave?
Come on, will you go inside?
What is happening here?
Mama, Pepe!
Mama, put Pepe in my eyes. Begging. Oh, say. Nai, welcome to Pepe. So, Nai, will you shut up? Let me talk to my husband. Go inside. Get out of this place. Papa, come on, get out. Papa, Gini, the man on Pagi. Just small slap and she's saying Pepe. Nai, can you imagine? I came out of the house and saw Adure sleeping by this time of the day. That she should be busy working in the farm like other maidens. Nai, that is it. Oh. I just touched her like this and she's shouting, Pepe, Pepe, Kedebo says easy.
You don't have to transfer your frustration on this poor girl. I saw her left here very early in the morning to work on the farm. Do you want her to remain there? Is she not a human being like you?
I'm only helping her. Listen
to me. I kept quiet, watch you and your daughter maltreat this girl in this house. Neka, remember, it is not what we promised her father.
You are holding me the way I like it most.
It feels so good.
Look at you. I love you so much, okay? I do.
I love you too. I love you more.
Thank you.
You're so beautiful. That reminds me. There is something I said I will tell you.
And what could that be? Talk, I'm listening.
Please. I do not like how Adure is being treated in your house.
So, she complained to you?
Yes, she did. And it's becoming so unbearable. Ijoma, she does not deserve to be treated like a slave.
I can say you still love her. And you will never leave her. So you have been deceiving me.
Ijoma. I never deceived you. I love you. Adure has been good to me. She's a good woman and deserves to be treated with respect, love, and kindness. Yes, I have feelings for her. I love her because I met her before you. But it is you I love. I love you more. I need you. It is you I want to spend the rest of my life with. Nobody else. You.
Abum, are you sure?
Choma, you can take me by my word. There is no one like you. No one can ever take your place in my heart.
Abum, are you sure?
Yes. You can take me by my words. Nobody can ever take your place in my heart. I love you so much.
And I love you more. I love you.
Stop! Bring me down.
Cool off.
You like dinners? I was telling her she don't even miss. This girl. Don't mind. Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my prince. People should talk.
Such a handsome prince.
He was truly born to be a king.
But his strange illness will not leave him alone. I believe he just recovered from that sickness.
His condition is really a pathetic one.
But wait, though. Does it mean there is no cure to his ailment?
My sister, I don't understand though. The situation. Don't go. Amaka. Amaka. Sorry.
You be looking at.
Miri maram, ebene chodimo. Miri maram, ebene chodimo. Miri maram, amaram mano wutayim.
Obim.
My love.
How are you?
I'm fine. You're welcome.
Have you been here for so long?
Yeah, I've been waiting since the rain started.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
I went to check my trap.
Oh, how was it?
This is for you.
Oh, my love. I will help you do justice to it.
Add enough pepper.
I know. I know how you like it. Okay.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
Sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. A young man will be coming here tomorrow with his people to ask for your hand in marriage. So, get yourself ready to accept his proposal.
Mama, I do not know what you're talking about. I do not know the man.
And so, does it matter?
But how can I accept a marriage proposal of a man I know nothing about?
Will you shut up and keep quiet? Look, tomorrow you must accept and follow him. If you try anything funny, Adure, I will deal with you. I will kill you in this house. Will you get out of my sight?
I'm not marrying anymore.
Look at her. Let her marry now. Let us enjoy our life.
That is what I want.
Campus again.
Wait! You cannot imagine the look in her face when my mother told her about the suitor. I could not hold my laughter. I was laughing. I was so laughing that I had headache.
I can imagine. Finally, the gods have answered my prayer. Because I cannot wait for her to be married. So I can come and ask for your hand in marriage.
So you mean if she does not get married, you will not propose to me?
Of course it's not like that. You know it is you I love. I was only hoping to just come and marry you off peacefully. I want to avoid causing trouble in your house.
Are you sure?
My love, you do not have to doubt me. You know I love you very much.
Well, I believe you. Look, I cannot wait for tomorrow to come to see how the marriage rite would go. You know what? It is going to be the greatest entertainment to view. See, Adure. Oh, please, take this drink.
I love you.
I love you too. I'm scared.
Love and destiny.
Greetings.
Greetings. What is your name?
I am Adure.
Adure, I usually see you around. I know this might sound strange, but you are not supposed to be with the man you have chosen.
Please wait. What is your name?
My name is Nana, the son of no man.
What is the meaning of what you just told me?
You just need to be careful.
Adure. Mama. Adure. Adure. You see this man? You must marry him.
Mama, I will not.
Listen to me. You must marry him. You must go with him today. Mama, Adure, come here.
Mama, I am not going to marry this man.
Hey, Adure, tell me, since all your life, have you seen any man as handsome as this man?
Mama.
Hey, Adure.
Mama, leave me.
Adure,
Mama,
come here.
Mama, leave me. Oh.
Hey.
Mama, happen. I will not marry this man.
Hey, Adure, allow me to join my marriage. You must go. Ijoma, you are there looking at me. Eh? You are there smiling. You must go. My in-law, Ogo. Ogo, wait, she's coming.
Mama, let me alone. Mama, let me
Look at this girl.
Mama, let me
alone. Let me have peace in my home.
Papa.
What is happening here? I'm asking you, what is happening here?
Nai, welcome, Nai. I'm Niger of my. Welcome, Nai. Can you imagine Adure? This handsome man, he has been coming here since you traveled to Ikunegi. This young man has been asking for Adure's hand in marriage. I said since you are not around, let me help her and secure the golden opportunity. Now, look at her, she's a full grown-up woman. Now she needs to settle down and start bearing her children. And I'm telling her she's refusing this man. As I can say. Welcome, Nai. No. That is it.
My people, I am the father of the girl you came to seek her hand in marriage. Please, you people can leave.
But Ogo.
No. Please, just leave. I will send a message through my wife to you. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. Excuse me. Please, come and take your keg of wine.
But in-law, it's a free will.
Don't worry, I know, but go with your keg of wine. There's no problem with it. I am so disappointed in you for what happened today. That's just lack of respect to my personality as your husband. And as the man of the house. How dare you? How dare you tell me that you are now in charge in my own house while I'm still breathing?
The mama, be good. Because my Aram, be good. Please forgive me. See, I promise. I will never do it again. I promise.
Of course you will never. Else I will send you back to your father.
Please.
And now listen good. This will be the last time you take action in this house without my permission. Who gave you the order? Then concerning the sale of Adure in this house, I brought her here. And this is my own house. Before her father died, I promised him that I would take good care of this girl. Are you hearing me? Now, the warning I'm giving you now, make sure you give the same warning to your daughter. Never again will you people oppress Adure in this house. Do you hear me? This house is mine.
This is nice.
Do I make myself clear? I will not like to repeat this word again. Do you hear me? Now leave my presence.
Nkem, who is this young woman approaching? Nebiko Cello, please come.
Her name is Adore. That's all I know about her.
My princess, I know nothing about her.
You called me.
I admire your beauty. And your name suits your prettiness as well.
My princess, I'm flattered. But I must confess that your beauty is beyond comparison.
A compliment well received. But I must not keep you waiting with loads on your head.
Thank you, my princess.
We shall see some other time.
Thank you, my princess.
Go well. She will make a good wife for my brother. What do you think?
Beauty is of noble class. And I think Ugoeze cannot wait to meet her, my princess.
My princess, she is good so long the prince will accept her.
My princess, this one cannot shake.
Let's go home. I have to talk to my brother about her. Let's go.
Nam. Oh.
Nam. You made my favorite. Come, let's eat.
I'm almost done, eh? I will join you.
I insist. Come, let's eat.
Okay, I'm coming. Namo. You like it?
My favorite.
My love. Obim, my mother is asking more about you these days.
Yes. It's time for me to come and see your people.
My love, what are you trying to say?
We've come a long way. Your people should be my people, and my people should be your people. What I'm trying to say, it's time for me to come and ask for your hand in marriage.
My love, I have for so long prayed for this day to come. I will be so happy to be your wife.
Obi, you are a beautiful woman. We deserve each other.
Yes, we do, my love. We do.
All right. Thanks.
My love, I am so happy that I have lost my appetite.
Lost your appetite?
Yes.
I know how to bring it back.
Obi, what do you want to do?
I have always known Adure to be a willful woman. So I had fear she would not fall for that plan to marry her off. This is a bad situation.
My love, what are you trying to say? Huh? Does it mean you will not marry me? Honestly, I do not understand this condition.
Ijoma, be patient with me.
Be patient.
Remember, I have been with her before we became lovers.
So what are you trying to say? I don't get it.
Look, as it stands now, it doesn't even matter if I've been with her before I met you.
Are you sure about the things you are saying to me? I don't want you to leave me for her, please. I want you. I don't want you to leave me for her.
Of course. You know I truly love you. Believe me when I tell you, it is you my heart desires. You and no other person.
Then, make haste to come for my hand in marriage. Please, stop considering her. Act like a man.
I am a man. And I will make you proud. I will delay no further.
Are you sure?
Of course. You know I love you.
And I love you too.
And you're beginning to smile. Come here.
Thank you.
Ini Edo.
Adima.
You're welcome.
Please wait. Can I ask you a question? When you told me I should be careful with Obum, why did you say that? Did you see anything he was doing wrong?
I only told you what is necessary.
I appreciate your advice, and it was kind of you. But I want to know what prompted you to say those words to me.
Do you doubt me?
No. At first. But I just saw my sister with Obum.
Love and destiny. Love and destiny.
And we like it, yeah? You like it? Don't you trust your mother again? Oh, well.
How are you?
It's
nice.
Oh, well. I know the one goes to carry the car. The pepper is too much.
I'm also.
Don't you trust your mother again? Oh, well. Again.
Adure, why are you looking at me in that manner? Why?
Adure, what is the problem? And why are you looking at your sister in such manner? Eh?
Adure, I am not comfortable anymore. I am not comfortable. I don't like the way you're looking at me. If there's anything I did to you, why not say it? Say it!
Ada, I know you must be very angry with us because of the way we treated you in the past. Please, forgive us. Inugo, Bara. You are not our slave, and we must not treat you like one. Onwam. Henceforth, I shall treat you like one of us. Oh, I promise to make you happy. Onwam, I come and join us. Oh, Ada, Onwama. Oh, no. Come and eat. Oh. Ijoma. Ijoma. I don't trust you. Ijoma. Ijoma.
Mama.
Hey! Ijoma, you must have done something very bad to her.
Yes! To make her look at you in such manner.
Mama Biko, I did not do anything to her. I did not do anything to her. Even if I did something wrong to her, she should have said it to my face than shooting me in the eyes with her evil eyes. Apumo, can you hear?
Hey!
Apukwan makao.
Ijoma. Anya on enekwe giba anya ojo.
Mama. So he finally proposed to you?
Yes, Mama, he did. I'm so happy right now. So happy.
You should be. Nana is a nice man.
He is.
So any maiden he proposes to marry should count herself very lucky.
Mama, I'm lucky. I'm so lucky. In fact, I'm the luckiest.
You know what?
Yes, Mama.
I'll go now and tell your uncle so that he will be aware of it.
Mama, I can't wait to be called his wife. Unye Nana. Nganga. Nyanga.
I'm happy for you.
Oh. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. Go now, go and inform them now.
I'll go and tell your uncle.
Adeze. So, because of this so-called beautiful maiden, you brought me out here in the cold of the day. How are we even sure she's going to cross our path today?
Oh guys, just want you to be patient.
Mm.
Just be positive. If today passed and we did not see her, we'll just find a way to find out where she stays.
Mm. All right. Okay.
See that she's worth it.
Mm. I can't wait.
When you see her, you like her. I'm telling you.
All right.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
Greetings, my princess. I'm happy to see you strong and hearty.
We thank the gods. I can see your hands are blessed. Blessed from the providence of the gods.
Yes, may the gods be praised.
This inchi, they're actually very big. Bigger than all the inchi I've ever seen. They catch my eyes. Do you sell them?
Yes, I hunt and sell for a
Fair enough. I must get one for my consumption. Ada, what do you think?
I think then she looks very big and
So how much do you sell them?
No, my prince, you can have this as a token of appreciation for the gods.
But we can pay for it. How much?
Accept it as my own little kindness.
Please, what is your name?
Nana.
Nana. Thank you very much. May the gods continue to bless you.
Say...
Oh, the gods are kind. The gods are kind. People come in, the very person we've been waiting for. I told you, she's going to pass here.
My prince, I have to go now.
Okay, sorry. Thank you once again. Okay, I am accepting this meat as a hand of friendship. It is well accepted.
Thank you, my prince.
But when the gods arise, mirrors or gamata, oh, love and destiny.
Greetings, my princess.
I have been waiting for you, Adjo.
Waiting for me?
Yes.
I should not have kept the princess waiting if she has sent for me.
It's okay. Ugeze, meet Adure. Adure, this is Ugeze, my papa.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. I have heard so much about you. I must say you beat all my expectations.
Thank you, my prince.
Please, can we take a walk while we discuss?
Yes.
Let's go.
Do you like her?
I don't. I don't just like her. She's worth more than gold. That means you have to give me all this inch. Sorry.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka emo. Destiny can be delayed.
Oh, Mali Cham.
Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied.
Obim. Obim, Kedisi Obim, what is it? Ada, I have never seen you this angry before. Please, whatever it is, tell me. I might have wronged you unknowingly.
Yes, you wronged me. And not only that, you killed my heart. You stabbed me.
How? I mean, you might be wrong. Whatever anybody told you about me is absolutely nothing but gossip. You know me.
Gossip. Gossip, right? I saw you 3 days ago in the bush with my sister. Is that a gossip? I heard everything you people discussed. Abum, I loved you. I loved you to the extent if you had opened up to me that you needed my sister just to be happy, I would have sacrificed the love I have for you just for you to be happy. But you chose to lie to me and hold me behind. You made me an object of caricature before my sister. But you promised you love me, right? Okay? You promised me that you love me. But you never meant it. You never meant it. See? I don't want you again. Yes. I've cried my eyes out on the secrets. And I've moved on. I've moved on with my life. And I suggest you move on too. Please, stay away from me.
Adure,
stay away from me. Don't touch me. Don't you ever touch me in your life again. You can have her. Don't you ever. Don't touch me.
Adure, I'm sorry.
Love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka ewo. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Destiny can be delayed, but it can't be denied. Wicked men will try, evil men will try, but when the gods arise, Mirizorezo Gamata. Oh, love and destiny. Ihunanya na karaka ewo. Love and destiny.
But that is by the way. My father has decided to cut off the son of no man from our lineage.
That's a good step. We'll finally kick him out. The son of no man.
Finally, my plans are coming through.
Nandi, I do not understand the reason for your anger. What has come over you? The land in question was given to me by my late husband.
Your late husband, my brother. My brother is no more. He is no more. Nana is a son of no man and does not belong to you. I am the Ibe that you see. So I am telling you that I do not want to see you farm on any of the lands.
Why? I asked you, why?
And you are asking me why?
Yes.
Because you do not deserve anything. You do not deserve the lands. You do not deserve anything good. You have no son from my late brother. You brought a son whose origin we do not know. We do not know even if he's an Osu, an outcast. Do you know what that means? It is a stench on my late brother's name, and I will do everything within my power to ensure that that shame is purged out from my lineage.
I married to my husband because I could not conceive. Your late brother, you speak for, called him son, and I expect you to call him same. He is part of us.
Hey! Stop it! Now listen, woman. Listen. You heard what my father said. We do not want to see you or your son close to that farmland. A son who we do not know his origin. Warn him. Warn him! Do not say I did not warn you. If we ever see him close, we will kill him and nothing will happen. He is the son of no man! No man! Papa, let's go!
That's it. You heard it? That's fine.
He is the son of no man!
Stop, not anymore. You want me to die of laughter?
Oh, well, if you say so.
Better.
So, what actually are we going to discuss then?
Anything, please. Anything, but don't make me laugh again. Like, maybe tomorrow, but today, no. No.
All right. You know,
Yeah.
my father used to tell me that the reason two lovers will never get tired of each other is because they have more than just enough to talk about themselves.
Are you saying that we are lovers?
Not yet. But that is what I want from you. You know, the gods are wise. And the gods, in their wisdom, brought us purposely to become one.
Do you believe in destiny?
Yes. Destiny is the fairness and the unfairness of the gods to mankind.
Interesting. So tell me more about it.
You know, to some people, they have horrible destinies. They struggle with it all the days of their lives. Why to some other people that have a better destiny, they live lavishly, not knowing what the gods did for them. You know, destiny tends to share in the belief that the gods are actually unfair.
Are you indirectly referring to your health?
Yes. Honestly, I am among the people that believe that the gods are actually unfair in apportioning destiny to mankind. But I don't want to dwell on that philosophy anymore. I have found something that orchestrates my life and makes me want to live and forget all the pains, all the burdens I have borne all my life.
You love me because your sister chose me. Is it not so?
No. I am the prince. I'm the heir apparent to the throne of Umachala Kingdom. I have the power to choose. My sister Adeze did not necessarily choose you. She only found you. When I met you, my heart felt at home.
Are you saying that destiny has found us?
Yes. I never knew I could feel so contented after all I've been through in life. I'm very lucky to meet you.
I've waited for you for long.
The gods are wise. We'll always be together.
Who did this? I was here 2 months back, and this land was not cultivated. Did mother do this without my consent? She knew I can do this. So why would she do it without telling me?
Greetings. I hope all is well.
All is not well. Where's Nkechi, your daughter?
I sent her to the market. I hope no problem.
There's a problem. That young man I've heard is coming to ask for her hand in marriage. It will not work. Omal.
Why?
Woman, I do not owe you any explanation. Nana is a son of no man. He cannot marry my niece.
Nani, what did you hear?
Tell her. I don't want to see that boy in this compound.
Why? Nani, why? Nana. Nana.
Obio.
Nam.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You don't look bright.
My love. There is a problem.
A problem?
Yes.
What is it? How is your mother? I hope she's fine.
Yes, my mother is fine. But I want to ask you something. My love, please. Who is your father? Please, my love, I did not mean to annoy you. My uncle went to my mother and told her we cannot marry because nobody knows who your father is. Please, I need to know. I did not see the reason to ask before, but I really want to know. My love, please, talk to me. Who is your father?
Your uncle is right. I am a son of no man.
The son of no man. Oh, Aboroya wane wegina. Ewo. The son of no man. Aboroya wana baguru. Ewo. The son.
How is Ugeze?
Ugeze is fine. How is Adeze?
Adeze is fine the last time I saw her.
I was surprised to see both of you.
Same here.
How?
I'm surprised the princess has interest in me. But I know it won't work because of my status as the son of Mama.
She came to you. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.